When we started to reap good harvest from the principles that we use in our farm and business, one day I asked God, Lord, bakit mo to itinuro sa akin? Bakit hindi sa ibang tao? Alam nyo, I felt that morning God answered me and said, Dong, that is not for you to keep, that is for you to share. And because of this, it has been my burning desire to share all the principles I know to people who are willing to listen. I would like to answer the question why I do what I do. Some people have told me that they like the lessons that I teach. However, in the same way, merong mga na-offend because of my very frank and direct ways. Why do I do what I do? Alam mo ako, I believe I have found a better way of doing business and living life. And ang gusto ko sana is to be able to share this to as many Filipinos as possible kung papayag lang sila. My business principles were formed when I started to read the Bible as a business book. Alam nyo, when I became a farmer coming from Manila, akala ko magaling na ako na negosyante. And yet, my first 4 years were terribly bad because parati ako walang pera. And in my desperation, I started to read the Bible and I realized it is a business book. Noong ginamit ko siya as a business book, alam mo, our business had a turnaround and we were able to grow the business despite the meager resources that we started with and the many difficulties that we had to overcome. My business principles are quite different from most of the things you hear from so-called experts. Yet naniniwala ako these principles are simple, practical, and effective. When we started to reap good harvest from the principles that we use in our farm and business, one day I asked God, Lord, bakit mo to itinuro sa akin? Bakit hindi sa ibang tao? Alam nyo, I felt that morning God answered me and said, Dong, that is not for you to keep, that is for you to share. And because of this, it has been my burning desire to share all the principles I know to people who are willing to listen. Kasi naisip ko, ano naman ang mangyayari pag itago ko to para sa sarili ko? Di ba mabubulok lang siya? And I really believe God blessed me so that I can bless people like you. Ang gusto ko sana is before I die, I can document all the things I know so that people will continue to benefit from them. I do not do what I do for the money. In fact, I have said no to many offers of advertisement to my Facebook account and page. I am not saying I will not accept any advertisement in the future. Hindi pa lang ako nakita ng grupo who shares my values. I am not here to become popular. In fact, people would say ang hirap naman i-share ng videos mo because mapapaaway daw sila and they're very controversial. However, the reason I share what I share, naniniwala ako, hindi natin babaguhin ang isang bagay na feeling natin hindi problema. So I often talk about the problem and I'm very direct. May mga nagagalit sa akin, they insult me, minumura pa nila ako sa comment. So simple ang response ko. I block them and delete their comments. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin noon Dong, ang magagalit sa post mo, hindi para sa'yo. Maski anong gawin mo, hindi mo sila mababago. So dinilit ko sila. And however, I am very nice to those who ask me questions even if feeling ko off yung tanong or yung comment because I believe God has blessed me so that I can bless others. So ulitin ko, I'm not doing what I do for the money nor am I doing it to become popular. Gusto ko lang ho ma-share ang alam ko so that I can help all Filipinos become fruitful kung papayag sila. So today I am on a journey of wanting to put everything I know in video form or book form so that even the next generation will be blessed by the principles. So maraming salamat for listening to this video. May God bless you.